Welcome back, creatives. In this video, I'll be showing you one of the most user-friendly video editing app, CapCut. We have CapCut for mobile version and we also have CapCut for desktop version. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the desktop version of CapCut. I'm going to be introducing you to the user interface and some of the features of CapCut that you need to know. So stay tuned while we go on this together. To start out on CapCut, the first thing you have to do is to download the CapCut app. So it's easy. You just have to go to your web browser and then you type in you're going to see CapCut download for PC. Just go ahead to their website and on download here, and downloading the CapCut app, you can open it and you're going to see this first window. And on this window, you can see Join Pro. This is where you can sign in into CapCut with your Gmail. And we have the home here. We have image editing. CapCut also allows image editing, so you can use this for your image editing. Okay, we also have create with AI. If you want to create a video with AI, you can also do it here. And then we have record screen, long videos to short. You can trim your video, text to speech, and all of that. So all you need to do is to click on create projects, and it's going to take you to the main interface of CapCut. Okay, so this is the user-friendly interface. You can see it's not too much. If you have used Adobe Premiere Pro before, or if you have seen it before, you will know that the user interface of CapCut is very friendly. All right, so I'm going to be explaining each of these panels to you. All right, so the first one we have here is the media panel, and this is where you can import your videos, your photos, your audio files, all your files that you want to work on. You can import all of them here, right? And moving on, you can see the preview window here. Okay, so if there is any video you're working on, you can preview it to see how far you have gone on the video from this preview window. Okay, and the next one we have here is the control panel. All right, the control panel involves all the settings, the keyframes, and all of that. You're going to be seeing all of it here. All right, and the fourth one we have here is our timeline. Now this is where you place your video, your audio, your pictures, and all of that. Okay, so the timeline has layers. Once we start editing, you're going to be seeing all of the layers and how you can assemble your videos, your pictures, your audio files, and all of that. So it's going to be on the timeline. Okay, and so above the media panel, we have the tools. Okay, and so we're going to be looking at the tools. The first one is the media, and this is what allows you to import your videos and all of that. Okay, then moving forward, you have your audio. Now these are some of the audio files that have been provided by CapCut, and if you don't want the ones here, you can also import your own audio files or background music to use. But we have some cool background musics here provided by CapCut already that you can use. And you can see the categories for the background music that we have here. We have so many categories for it. And going down also, you have sound effects. Okay, like the push, drop, and all of that, transition, and all the sound effects you can think of. If there is anyone you don't see here, you can also download it and import it to your media panel and drop it on your timeline to work with it. Okay, so that's all about the audio. Now moving forward, we have the text also. Now this is where you can add text to your video. All right, you can see we have add text. This is your own default text, the text you want to type and customize by yourself. Okay, apart from that, we also have text effects that are already provided that you can use. A lot of text effects here that you can use for your own text. These are customized text effects that you can use, and you can see how they are looking. They also have categories that you can use. Okay, so under the text also you have text templates that you can also use, just like the text effect. We have text templates also, and then we also have the auto caption and the local caption. Okay, so if you want to add caption to your video, you can use the auto caption. And if the caption is not available in the language you want to use, if you have an SRT file caption in your desktop that you want to bring to your video, you can use the local caption and add it there. Now moving forward, we are going to be looking at stickers. Now stickers can really spice up your video. We have a lot of them here. We have the subscribe button that you can use for your YouTube videos. We have this that you can also use to spice up your video, and we have all of these stickers. So these stickers are also grouped according to the categories, and you can find each one that is going to work well for you on your video and apply it. Okay, so moving forward, we have video effects. Okay, we have a lot of effects here also that you can apply to your video. We have the explosion effect, we have the shake effect, and all of that. So we're going to be learning how we can make use of these effects and where we can make use of them. So we also have categories for effects also. You can see body effects and all of that. So moving forward again, we have transitions. Okay, so transitions, you can add transition in between two clips. Okay, so you're allowed to add transition between two clips. So we have a lot of transition here in CapCut that you can use. Also, we have the mist transition, black fade, and all of that to spice up your videos. Okay, then moving forward, also we have a special tool also for captions. Okay, so on this you can edit your caption the way you want. Okay, so you see the spoken languages. We have a lot of language that you can select from for your caption. Okay, and like I said, if the language is not available, you can also import your own caption in your own language and you can add it to your video. I'm going to be showing you that also. So we have caption, and if you want to edit music also, we have auto lyrics that you can also use for your music video editing. And then we have some templates here that you can use for your caption, the way you want your caption to display. We are going to be learning that also. Okay, so moving forward, we have filters, just like we do on Snapchat. Okay, there are a lot of filters here that you can apply to your video to spice them up. Depends on the mood that you want. You can apply those filters to suit the mood that you want. Okay, and we also have categories for them. We have the landscape, movies, stylish, food, and all of that you can select from. Okay, so going further, we also have the adjustment. Now this is very, very important. This is where you do your color grading. Okay, and you know how important color grading is in video editing. So this is the panel where you can custom your adjustment, your brightness, your exposure, your saturation, and all of that. You can customize it using the adjustment panel. Okay, so that is all for these tools for now. All right, so moving forward, let's look at some of the tools we have on the timeline. But when we drop a video here, we're going to be having more tools. But for now, we have the select arrow here that you can use to select your clip. Okay, and that is what I'm using right now to select and anything I want here. Okay, so you can also use it to select the particular clip you want to work on. Then next to it, we have the undo button. Now this undo button allows you to correct a mistake. Let's say you delete a part for an example and you want it back. You're just going to hit here, or you press Ctrl Z to bring it back. And next to it, we have the redo button. Okay, maybe after you undo and you want to still bring it back again, you can use the redo button. Then we have three splitting tools here. Okay, the first one is just to split in between videos. Okay, to split videos. All right, and next to it you have the split and delete left. Okay, so you're going to split and delete left automatically using this one, and the next one to wait it's to split and delete the right. Okay, so we're going to be learning how to use it for quick editing. Okay, this helps for very quick editing. If you want to split a lot of videos and delete, you can just use the split and delete left. or split and delete, right? And it's going to make things faster. All right, next to it we also have the delete button here. Okay, you can use that one with the just the normal split too, or you can also use the delete button on your desktop. I think that's easier and faster. All right, and moving forward we have the add marker. So we're going to be learning how to add marker on the videos on the timeline. Okay, then moving to this side we have the voiceover. So if you want to record your voiceover in CapCut, you can do that also, or you can record your voiceover outside CapCut and import it in. Anyone that works best for you, you can do that. All right, so we're also going to look at this button. This is to zoom in and to zoom in and to zoom out on the timeline. Okay, so there are some videos that you're going to be working on that are so much, and you want to like zoom out a bit on the timeline so you can see what you are actually working on, or you can zoom out or zoom in anyone, all right, to expand and reduce the videos on the timeline so you can really see what you are really working on. Okay, and so the last thing we're going to look at here is the export button. Okay, so when you're done with all your editing and you want to export your projects, okay, to your desktop, this is what you are going to use. So we are also going to be looking at the export settings. Okay, like if you open the export settings, you are going to see like the resolution and all of that, yeah, under the export settings. Okay, and so that is what we have for now about the interface of CapCut. As we continue to look at more things in CapCut, we are going to be learning more, and you're going to be seeing more features that we can use to create amazing videos together. All right, so thank you so much for staying to the end of the video. Don't miss out the next video, because we're going to be learning amazing things in the next video. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on any of my video, because we are going to be learning so much about video editing together. See you in the next video.